In a riverside town, a flood surged as heavy rain pounded the hills above, overwhelming the riverbanks. A town hall desk tracked crests, rainfall, and soil saturation, turning data into warnings. An elderly librarian opened a weather diary, revealing decades of patterns that warned when to brace for water. Neighbors moved to higher ground, sharing supplies while rescue boats threaded flooded streets. At sunrise, the river yielded, mud and memory left behind, yet science and community kept fear from drowning them.